Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another video where I'm showing you my makeup collection, and today's video is going to be all about my most used eyeshadow palettes. This video is going to be broken down into a couple of parts because I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. So if you guys want to see my most used favorite eyeshadow palettes, then keep on watching. Alright, so in this drawer I have a mix of drugstore and high-end, probably mostly high-end, I'm gonna say. The first palette I'm going to show you guys is this little black beauty book in Chic. This is from e.l.f. They have renamed these and repackaged these. I don't know why they repackaged these because I really like the packaging. But it's not called Chic anymore, and the other one's Natural. They're not called that. I don't know what they're called. I think it's like Warm and Cool now or something like that. But this is what Chic looks like. It is just really colorful. And I have this in here because when I want to add a pop of color to a look, or if I make something too dark, I like to go in with this yellow shade. Ignore my friends. They just came outside for recess. I literally don't know when to film. Every time I sit down, they come outside, so... The next little black beauty book is in Natural, and this is just all natural shades. I've panned two because I used to use this every single day, which I need to use it more because there's really pretty shades in this. Next up is my Tarte Tartiest Pro to go. This is just one of my favorite little palettes. I love this shade right here, which is Drive. It has a transition shade, as an all over lid shade, just everything. This shade right here, which is Boss, is just a beautiful bronze shade. This is just a perfect palette, and I love the little mirror that's in here. It's perfect for travel. Next we have the Modern Renaissance palette. You guys probably know this is my favorite. It is so beat up. I'm trying to project pan this. I've panned 5 colors, and this is just one of my favorites. Honestly, I love all the colors. They're beautiful, they're pigmented, easy to work with, so blendable, so good. Next we have my Shaaanxo, the Remix palette. I just love this. I love all the colors. This is the Remix side, and then this is the original side. I just love that you can make so many looks with this. I've actually done a 5 days one palette with this one. The next palette I have is the Tarte Tartlette palette, and I love this palette because it is all matte shades and they're all neutral and perfect for when you need those neutral colors for a crease, and you can go in with a shimmery shadow and use that on the lid. That's kind of just what I did today. Or you can create an all matte look with this. I just love it. It is perfect, and it just has the perfect brown shades, and it's everything. Another Tarte palette that I love is the Toasted palette. It is just gorgeous. It has so many warm tones, which I love. The shimmers are pretty, the mattes are awesome. I just have zero complaints about it. It's such a good palette again. The next palette I have is the Athena palette from Bad Habit. This is just a gorgeous palette. The shimmers are so pretty. Everything about this palette is just so pretty, and I absolutely love it. Another palette from Bad Habit is the Aphrodite palette. I just love this one as well. The shades, again, absolutely gorgeous, so pretty. The only problem with these is that they're inconsistent, so if you do end up getting it, remember that they're only 12 bucks, so you're not wasting $65 if you didn't get a good one, but I recommend them. Next is the Yes Please palette from Colourpop. This is just one of my favorites as well. I just love all the warm tones, the shimmers. They're so pretty. Again, this is another good versatile palette that you can create a lot of looks with. Next up is my little baby. This is the Decay Naked Basics palette. I love this. I've panned 3 of the shades. It is so good. This is another palette that's perfect for travel because you can do a lot with this. You can use Foxy to set your under eyes. You can use, if you have brown hair, you can use Faint to fill in your eyebrows, or you can even use Crave if you have black hair. You can do so much with this palette. You can use Venus to even highlight your face with. There's so much you can do with this little palette. It's so good. Again, perfect for traveling. The next palette I have is the Golden Bar palette from Makeup Revolution. I absolutely love this palette. These shades are just gorgeous. The shimmers are amazing. This shade right here, which I don't know the name, I think it's Chocolatier, is really, really good for highlighting your face. It's an amazing palette. The shimmers are insanely gorgeous. It's so pigmented. Next up, I have the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. This was my first high-end palette, so I can never part with it. If it looks a little weird, if you're new to my channel, that is because my dad scared me one day. I dropped this, all the shadows fell out, and I just tried to put them back by memory. So there's that. But I just love all the shades in this. This I haven't used in a really long time, and I need to use it more because this is just one of my favorite palettes ever. Next we have the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. This was my favorite. Like when I got it, I used it all day, every day. And I love the colors in it. I just wish I can use this purple because the purple is stunning, but it just never works for me. But it's so pretty and it smells so good, which is just why I love it. And the last palette is the Chocolate Bonbons palette from Too Faced. I love this palette. I love the neutral shades in it. I like that you can add pops of colors with the pinks or the like this grayish blue color or the purple if you can get yours to work. Again, I can't. For some reason, Too Faced purples, I don't know what it is about them. But I just absolutely love this palette. And again, the smell. My mom also likes this one. I used this to do her makeup for a wedding once. And that is it for my most used favorite palette collection. If you guys want to see any specific tutorials on any of these palettes, please let me know in the comments down below. I will gladly get that up as soon as possible for you. I'm doing a 5 days 1 palette with the Athena palette. I don't know if that'll be up before or after this video, so just stay tuned for that. If it's up, I'll leave a link down below, but I don't think it is. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!